The brake light and turn signal connections in our classic update harnesses can be broken into sections to more easily demonstrate how they work. The brake light switch receives 12-volt power from the orange wire in the classic update dash harness. When the brake pedal is pressed, the switch contact is closed and 12 volts travels through the switch to the white wire in the classic update dash harness. At the same time, kits with a third brake light feed will also receive power on the light blue wire doubled with the white dash feed. The light blue wire is responsible for illuminating a third brake light and can be taped back if you were not intending to add a third brake light to your vehicle. With the kit dash harness and turn signal connector in place, the white wire runs to the turn signal switch to control the brake and turn feeds. When the brake pedal is pressed and the turn signal switch is in the center or off position, it allows power to flow through the switch to the brake lights. The turn signal switch will override the brake switch when the lever is moved to indicate a left or right turn. Here the switch is in position to indicate a right turn while the driver is applying the brakes. Power flows the same way through the brake switch, but since the turn signal switch connection is closed, power is supplied via the fuse panel to the purple wire to trigger the flasher. This causes the flasher contacts to open and close, which will flash the indicator bulbs on the car. Since the brake switch is still closed, one brake light, or two brake lights if you're using the optional third brake feed, remains illuminated when the turn signal switch is in use. This will continue to turn the turn signal on and off on the green wire until the lever moves back to the center or the driver manually cancels the turn. The ground portion of the circuit can vary based on the application, but the basic process is the same for either the left or right side of the vehicle. Some vehicles will ground through the lamp socket housing, while others use a dedicated ground feed. Refer to your classic update instructions to see how your particular project is configured. Some vehicles require separate feeds for the brake and turn circuits. This can be accomplished with our universal wiring systems, but the topic will be covered in a separate video. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date with more tech tips and installation tricks.